been asked to demonstrate how to put together your Sound Shark. It's a very easy procedure. You're going to take the white clamp here and pinch it and take it off. You'll feed your microphone through the silver circle here. Go ahead and loop it up. Take your white clip again and press it onto the microphone. Then you're going to pinch your white clamp here and make sure that the microphone, not the foam, is aligned with the silver bars here. And you can apply your Velcro straps here to secure the wire. And you can go ahead and slide it onto your camera. Tighten it. Plug it in. And you're ready to go.